In Karnataka's Hassan constituency, trouble is brewing for JDS candidate Prajwal Revanna over an alleged sex scandal. Prajwal Revanna, who is the grandson of former Prime Minister and JDS Supremo H.D. Devagowda, has been booked. His son Revanna also has been named. Meanwhile, Karnataka government has decided to form a special investigation team in connection with the obscene video case. A case has been registered by a 47-year-old house help, accusing both father and son, Prajwal and his father, H.D. Revanna, of sexual harassment. India Today has accessed the FIR copy in which the alleged victim mentioned that Prajwal used to sexually assault her in a storeroom and that all the female staff of the house were scared of him. Meanwhile, BJP called the video fake, alleging that it's a pre-planned conspiracy to malign the Hassan MP's image. Meanwhile, sources say that Prajwal Revanna has left for Germany.
Multiple videos of Prajwal Revanna has surfaced and it's all over the internet, but his office has alleged that this is completely morphed, his enemies have done it and it's not true. How would you and the JDS react to it, sir?
I don't know anyone. I was in busy elections. Okay. And really, I don't see. Because I will see after I will talk to you.
ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ತಾವೇ ಹೇಳಿದಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು SITಗೆ ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗಮನಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಾನಾಗಲಿ ದೇವೇಗೌಡರಾಗಲಿ ಎಂದೂ ಸಹ ಹೆಣ್ಣುಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಗೌರವಯುತವಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವರ ಕಷ್ಟಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಿಹರಿಸಿ ಕಳಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಂತೂ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ SIT ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಹಾಸನದ ಪ್ರಕರಣ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿದೆ, ತನಿಖೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಬರಲಿ ಹೊರಗೆ.
I think the timing which they have done it's all pre-planned and fake videos are there nowadays. So that is there, and there are so many such videos. There was no inquiry. Why special inquiry on this?
इसका है हमको मालूम नहीं, वो कौन प्रज्वल रेवन्ना क्या है, किसी का डूप है. ये तो अभी क्या है, मीडिया में कुछ एडजस्टमेंट करके डालता है. मेरा को मालूम है प्रज्वल रेवन्ना ऐसा आदमी नहीं, मेरे को मालूम है. या ऐसे ही लगातार मीडिया बोलता है, मीडिया में डालता है, सोशल मीडिया में. ये तो कुछ फर्क नहीं हो जाएगा.
मैं ऐसा कहता हूँ, आपका इंक्वायरी करिए, क्या इंक्वायरी होता है उसके अनुसार क्या एक्शन होना है. इसलिए ये सब पॉलिटिकल कर रहा है, ये पॉलिटिक्स कर रहा है. इसमें ये क्या ये विषय है वो पर्सनल है, इसके बारे में कांग्रेस पॉलिटिक्स कर रहा है, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है.
Anaga is getting asked more details on that story. Anaga, in fact, even before the investigations has properly started in this entire case, given that there is an SIT that the government has now, in fact, decided to hand over the case to, we have political statements with BJP, the former chief minister, saying that these are fake allegations.
Well, Sneha, the BJP is on all-out firefighting mode to defend their Lok Sabha partner JDS. They have no other choice at this point to go ahead and do some firefighting. Given the kind of sexual violence allegations that has come up on Prajwal Revanna, Sneha, just yesterday a 47-year-old domestic help filed a case against Prajwal Revanna and his father H.D. Revanna as well. Massive embarrassment for the JDS party. She has alleged that over the course of 4 years, when she joined their house as house help in the year 2019, she was, she was sexually violated multiple times. Her daughter was also sexually harassed by Prajwal Revanna. So the details of this complaint have been given to Hassan police in the FIR that was registered. All these details are being transferred to SIT. They will investigate the case further and then file a report as to whether Prajwal Revanna and his father H.D. Revanna were indeed guilty of sexual violence and rape or not.
Anaga, I'm going to thank you for the moment, for getting us up to speed with those developments as far as the politics around this entire issue is concerned.